Hey, boys and girls, welcome to another exciting episode of Science with myself, Mr. Jamal. All right, now we're going to dive into the mystery of Where Do Puddles Go by Faye Robinson. Wow. Put on your seeing eyes, put on your listening ears, thinking hats. Are you ready? Okay. So, where do puddles go? Does anyone know? Do you know? Do you? Do you like to watch the rain pour down from the sky, soaking trees and plants and streets and sidewalks? I do. It's pretty action oriented. It's pretty exciting sometimes, I have to admit. Check that out. Oh yeah. Bring on the rain. Then right after it rains, do you ever put on your boots and jump in the puddles? Yes, I do. When the sun comes out, everything dries up. Whoa. Everything does dry up and the puddles disappear. Where do they go? Puddles dry up because of the sun. Heat from the sun warms the smallest parts of each drop of water. Warm air rises and the tiny bits of water rises too. Then they both become part of the air. This is called evaporation. Say it with me, boys and girls. Evaporation. Sun warms water, water evaporates. Interesting. So check that out. So the sun warms the water and the water evaporates. Goes back into the air. Full circle. Water that is evaporated is called water vapor. Water vapor is invisible. You can't see it. Invisible. If you can't see it, how do you know it's there? Here's one way to prove it. Set a glass of ice water in the sun. I want you to take a glass of ice water. Put it by the window on this hot and glorious day. If not today, sometime tomorrow. Make sure the sun's out nice and bright. Okay, guys? Try it and see what happens. Just like this little boy. See what he's doing? Soon, water will start to drip down the outside of the glass. Wow. So it didn't leak out the glass. It's the water that was in the air. When water vapor is cooled, it turns back to water. And this is called condensation. Say condensation, boys and girls. Condensation. Wow. Now, water vapor rises high into the sky. The air is cooler up. There's no, wow. Interesting. Air cooler up. So the water vapor condenses itself. Then the little water droplets join with other droplets. Wow. And then there are so many droplets in one place that you can't even see them. And that's what the clouds are. So the water is so cool that it freezes up and it turns into clouds. Crazy. These beautiful clouds. Aren't they lovely? I want you to take a look out your window right now. Tell me if you see any clouds. Are there any clouds out today on this beautiful, glorious day? There are different kinds of clouds. Some are big and puffy and white. Some are full of water that turn gray. Then heavy drops of water fall to the ground as rain. White clouds, gray clouds. White, gray, white, gray, white, gray, white, gray. Whoa, confusing. Now, if it is cold enough outside, it snows instead. Pretty cool. Rainwater doesn't always evaporate right away. A lot of it trickles into streams and rivers. Check that out. Oh yeah. The streams and rivers flow into lakes and oceans. The sun heats them up like giant puddles. Water on the surface evaporates. It rises to the sky, collects clouds, and falls as rain again. This pattern is called the water cycle. Wow. The water cycle. Sun warms water, water evaporates, water falls and rains. So, here's a picture of what happens. Round and round we go. The water cycle never stops. All the water we have on Earth is all we ever had. From prehistoric times until now, those same water is used over and over and over again, which is why it's very important, boys and girls, to take care of your water. Let's be nice to the environment, okay? Now, that's one good reason to take care of it. No pollution. No pollution, no pollution. The water you use today may someday fall in a mountain snowstorm. Wow, pretty crazy. Look at that snowstorm. So the water you use right now to go to the swimming pool during the summertime, to rinse your face, can be used for that, for a snowstorm. Nature's pretty funny. Crash over a cliff in a waterfall. Wow. Sprout from a well in an ocean. So the water that sprouts from a well in the ocean is the same water that I drink? Huh. Pretty crazy. Crazy. Or fill a puddle you jump in right after it rains. Wow. She's having a lot of fun. Wow. So words we learned today. Waterfall. Condensation. Evaporation. Puddle. Rain. What did you learn today? Share with me. Share with your parents. All right. I hope you guys had a fun time with me. I did with you as well. Until the next time, I hope you enjoyed Story Time of Science with myself, Mr. Jamal. Bye, guys.